Hello everyone! It's nearly Christmas Day, but Santa's elves are sick and can't finish making the last few toys for Santa to deliver. He needs our help to make them. Santa's sent us this gift that he says will be useful. Wow! It's a new truck wash controller, and it has 3 new buttons on it. I wonder what they do. Let's go outside and find out. Let's start with button number 1. Can you find button number 1? That's right, it's the green hat. Wow! Button number 1 has turned the truck wash into an elf machine. Who's going in first? Brave young Florence drives in first, looking like herself. A respray and a brand new hat. Haha, she's now an elf. In go Sid and Dylan now they've seen just what to do. The elf machine dresses them up to join the Christmas crew. And last, it's the mechanicals. Into the machine. And out come 4 more Christmas elves. Tiny, cute, and green. Now we have our Christmas elves. I think it must be time to press button number 2. Can you find button number 2? That's right. It's the golden hammer and paintbrush. Amazing! Button 2 has turned the elf machine into a toy-making workshop. Florence and Sid can fetch the different pieces to turn into toys. Mechanicals, you can go inside and get the tools ready. And Dylan, you can collect the finished toys. Let's get making. We'll start with something easy, some simple wooden blocks. We'll cut and sand and paint them, and put them in a box. And now for something trickier, but with a little luck. Yes! They've made a tiny toy Fiona Firetruck. Let's build another wooden truck to go in Santa's sacks. With 4 big wheels, some orange paint, a mini Monster Max. Those mechs have got the hang of this. They are impressing us. Look, they've made a perfect little Bobby, the purple bus. And now it's time to make a delicious Christmas treat. All wrapped up in shiny foil. Some chocolate coins to eat. Just one more, and then I think these presents will be ready. Just sew this up and add some stuffing. Look, a Gecko teddy! The mechanicals have worked so hard, we really should be clapping. But I've just noticed something. These presents all need wrapping. Wrapping all these presents by hand would take far too long. I think it must be time to press the last button on the controller. Button number 3. Can you find button number 3? That's right, it's the scissors and tape. Fantastic! Button 3 has turned the toy workshop into a wrapping machine. This'll wrap the presents in no time. Let's get wrapping. The gifts go back through the machine for paper, ribbon and tape. Can you guess what each one is? Just by its size and shape? A box of blocks, a toy Fiona, a mini Max, a little Bobby, chocolate coins, a Gecko teddy, and I don't know what that last one is. Never mind. It's time for Santa to get on with his Christmas deliveries.
Ho, ho, ho! How did you get up here, Yellow Mechanical? You'd better get down to the garage and take this gift for Gecko with you.
Thanks to Florence, Dylan, Sid, and the Mechanicals for all their help today. And thank you for joining us here at the garage. And... oh! There you are, Yellow Mechanical. I was wondering where you'd gone. Oh, thank you for the present from Santa. Warm, cosy earmuffs. Fantastic. Merry Christmas, everyone. We'll see you again soon. Bye. Left a bit. Right a bit. That's perfect. Well done, Caroline. Oh, hello everyone. We're very excited because we're getting ready for Christmas here at Gecko's garage. Caroline the crane has been helping to decorate our sign, and Larry the lorry should be here soon with our Christmas tree. Danny the digger's digging a hole, ready to plant the tree. Good work, Danny. Hello, Larry. Goodness me, that tree is enormous. Caroline, we're going to need your help to lift it up and plant it in the hole. Thank you, Caroline. Now the tree's in position, Mia the mini digger is small enough to reach underneath and put the soil back. Well done, Mia. The tree looks a little bare. We need to decorate it. I think this sounds like a job for the Mechanicals. Go, go, reindeer Mechanicals! Oh dear, the Mechanicals can't reach. I think we need some help from Fiona the Firetruck with her ladder. That's looking very festive. The only thing missing is a star on the top. It doesn't look as if Fiona's ladder can reach that high. I think this is a job for Super Mechanical. Beautiful. And here comes Florence the forklift and Sid the skid loader with some presents to put around the tree. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 presents. I'm sure there should be more than that. Ah, Dylan the dump truck is carrying the rest of the gifts. Well done, Dylan. Fantastic! With a little help from our friends, we managed to get everything decorated in time for the Gecko's Garage Christmas party. Here come the rest of the guests. Merry Christmas to you all from everyone at Gecko's Garage. We'll be having lots more adventures in the new year, so see you again soon. If you'd like to watch more videos from me, just tap here.